This changes how I edit for, I don't know, I guess ever, as long as I use Premiere. So I use Premiere Pro, and as many people know, uh, see, so here, let me just show you. Okay, so the light just changed. So what I want to do is I want to just select this audio track, track 3. So what you would do is you would just right click on link, and then see, now you have them all as separate tracks. So I'm just gonna adjust the gain here, set to 5. Okay. Alright, so now that changed. So the light just changed. So let's see, so that sounds better. Okay, now let's say I want to cut here, and I want to cut all these tracks, so I can't just cut and drag, so I have to go through and individually cut each track. Now I know what you're thinking. That's really boring and it takes up way too much time. I know. Just listen. Okay, so if we select these, if we go back to get rid of that, there we go. So what normally you could do is here, group using Control G or Command G for Mac. See, so now all these tracks are all grouped. So that's nice. But if you want to cut, you still have to go through and cut them all individually. But with this, I'm just going to drag this back a bit too far. Come on, there we go. So with this, ungroup, which is Control Shift G, and right now. There we go. Okay, so if you have a video that you unlink and then you want it relinked, you just right click, link. There you go. And now watch this. And it cuts everything. So, yeah, this is changing how I edit for, I guess, ever. Again, as long as I use Premiere. But anyway, that was just a quick little video. I found it pretty cool. It'll save me, I don't know, 5 minutes per video. But, 5 minutes over 20 videos is 100 minutes. So, that's pretty good. So, I found it pretty cool. Maybe somebody else could use this. So, I decided to make a video. But, anyway, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, all that, and I'll see you in the next video.